Ricardo, welcome to another blog tech tips. So guys, let me get straight into it. Today's tip will be how to fix the issue on Instagram TV or IGTV where you're not seeing recorded videos for upload. So in other words, when you go to IGTV and you try to upload a new video you have recorded, or of course something that you have recorded in the past that you want to upload, you can't find it in the camera roll. Let me just demonstrate what I mean. And straight away, let's launch IGTV. So let me find Instagram. As you can see over here, this is Instagram. It does launch. And as you can see, it's launched right here. I'm just going to go over to my profile. And of course, you can see IGTV right over here. And I'm just going to launch IGTV. And here you see two of my videos that's uploaded. And if I try to upload something from here, let me just tap the plus symbol. As you can see right over here, you'll notice that it shows here only a select amount of videos. And you can see I have one here with the PlayStation 1 minute 8 seconds. This one is 3 minutes 31 3 minutes 31 seconds. This one over here is 3 minutes 1 second. And there's the one here with my my gaming rig, and of course some other photos. Now if I actually close this out, wait, before I close this out, if you look here, this is not all my videos, and the amount of videos that's here is actually very limited, and you must be confused as to where is something that you recently shot on your other videos. Now to fix this issue, what you'll need to do is just go ahead guys and go into the Play Store. Once you're in the Play Store, you're gonna search for this app called IGTV, and don't worry, this is an official app from Instagram, because most people do not realize there's a dedicated Instagram TV app. Just look for the one with Instagram as being the creator. So you see IGTV Instagram. I've already installed it, so just go ahead and open up. When you're finished, so just install for you. And of course I'm finished, so I'm just going to launch. Notice the standalone app will launch. I don't want to get a copyright strike, so let me just pause this. Give me a second guys. So I'm just going to pause, and I'm just going to go back. Sorry, let me just open again. And of course, now that's opened, that's the IGTV app. I'm just going to go over to my channel. So look right there, you notice this icon there. I'm just gonna tap. Here are my two videos. Now notice I'm just gonna click the plus symbol here, and this is from within the main IG app. But you notice now guys, more videos are actually shown in here, and you can see not 3 but actually way more PlayStation videos, because what's happening here is that the integrated IGTV app from within Instagram actually shows only some amount of videos, but if you come in the standalone app, you'll actually get more of your videos. And just additional tip here guys, as you can see, I'm seeing way more of my videos, and I could actually scroll through and I'll see all of my videos, or the majority of them. And of course what you can do now is upload your video. Now let's say for example a video is shot in 2 formats. Sometimes you'll realize that your videos will show up differently. So when you're recording with your camera, just make sure that you're recording just like this, and just hit record, and that's portrait mode and capturing something. If for example you were to turn the camera sideways like this, what would happen is that you would be able to upload the video, but what would happen is that they'll convert it or condense it and cut off sections, and you won't be able to see sections of the video, and it will mess up the video, because when I'm shooting like this, I'm better able to tell that all that my viewers will be able to see, and I can control the video, versus if I do this, sections will be cut off and they might not be able to see what I want them to see. So just record the videos like this, or in this format. All right, so just keep those tips in mind. So that this has been another quick tech tip showing you how to fix the issue where you're not seeing all of your videos in the camera roll. So if you're having this issue, just go ahead and download the dedicated IG app. And if you didn't know this from before, just go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And of course, you can comment below. This is Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, with a quick tip showing you to fix a common issue on your device. Alright guys, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye.